afternoon from a very wet field. It's Lorenzo from above. I am bringing you on a new journey today, a new adventure. At Christmas, I must have been a very good boy because I was purchased for my present a DJI Mini 4 Pro. And I'll be honest, I have flown it a couple of times, but only briefly. Weather hasn't been great in the UK, and I'm still doing my land development stuff. So that's why I haven't managed to kind of bring you a video yet. So for my regular subscribers and people who want to just jump straight to the little preview today, that's what I'm going to be doing. Just a little basic flight. We're going to get, and here's the breaking news. My other drone is a Potensic Atom 2. She's not going anywhere. Her name is Dora, part of the Dora Explorer for the obvious reasons. And I'm bringing to you Swiper. Yes, still part of the Dora universe because Dora's not going anywhere. Dora's still going to be used. So my Potensic Atom followers, don't worry. She's not going anywhere. She's still part of the family and still going to be used very regularly as well. But it'd be good to have some kind of comparison between the two, between a budget friendly and to be honest, I was very pleased with the Potensic Atom 2. So no problems with that. It wasn't because I wasn't finding it any good or anything or issues. I think it's a great little drone, but I've never had anything else to compare it to really. So it doesn't matter. She's not going anywhere. It's a great drone, great functions, love it. So I'll still be bringing Dora footage to you all. But today is all about Swiper, and we're going to shortly get to the centre of our field, which is just behind me here as I just turn around. No, she's not going to play ball. There you go, there you go. See, and I'm using my handheld gimbal, my DJI Osmo 6 at the moment to film this. And hopefully it comes out okay. It's a great day today. Wind miles per hour by gusts is about 12 miles per hour. Great day. And as you can see, the sun is shining. Now the moon is just over my shoulder there. I'm not sure if you can see it in my screen, but if not, we'll see if Swiper can make the moon out from the sky. Okay, so further to do, let's do what we like to do. We're going to get Swiper up and start swiping. So stay with me. So let's start off with MasterShots. So let's go bring her a bit closer to me. Let's put her in the center of the frame. Put it down. Right. So MasterShots, just go for it, shall we? Select MasterShots on the screen. Hopefully you can see that. Video MasterShots there. Telling us to do something. Click away. Click the plus. That will add you as the icon or box around you as a focus point, and you just click start. Then Swiper will do many functions. You'll get dronies, you get zoom in, zoom out, you get circle, and you get rocket and stuff as well. So it compiles it all together, which is really nice. If you have liked the video today, please feel free to like and subscribe. It's much appreciated. And please do leave a comment. It's always appreciated and I love the feedback. So please don't feel afraid to leave me any kind of comment below. Bearing in mind YouTube's regulatory, be kind. No, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thanks for watching. Lorenzo.